Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again today with another video on how to install this reddish brown body wave unit from West Kiss Hair. It is 22 inches long and I feel like I don't even have to talk too much. I feel like the hair says enough. Like, it says enough. Anyways, yeah, keep on watching.
Divorce? Is that what you want from us? You want to stain a Palestine name with that? Is there someone else? Another man who thinks he can walk in here and take my family away from me? Family.
Hi guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. This is what it's looking like. This is what the hair looks like. I'm literally in love with how it turned out. I love the colour on me. I feel like it's perfect. Like, it's not too much, it's not too little, and it's literally perfect for autumn time, full vibes, you know. It looks gorgeous on my skin tone as well. This is the reddish brown body wave unit, which I straightened. It is 180% density. It's a full wig and it is 22 inches long. And yeah, I feel like it's perfect. This hair is literally perfect for autumn time. It's really in style, like, and yeah, I'm in love with this like side part moment, you know. It's giving the girls something. I'm not gonna lie, it's my makeup. I haven't done my makeup in a while, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I literally love this hair. As you can see, literally, like, it's so silky. My hand's not even getting stuck. And it's kind of long as well. You can see it's like pretty long. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, just watching me install this unit and